Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to block private calls on Androids. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So guys, you can block private calls on your Android phone using the phone app. Open the phone app, tap the three dot menu icon in the top right, select settings, tap on block number. Here you can see I have already added two numbers. I can add more number by simply tapping here on add number, and here you have to type your number whatever you want to block and simply tap on block, and you can see this number is blocked now. So this is how you can easily block number on your Android phone. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.